Understanding on a Downward Spiral. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, on a downward spiral. This phrase is not only vivid in its imagery but also rich in its usage in both formal and informal contexts. Let's dive into its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in your everyday communication. On a downward spiral refers to a situation that is continuously getting worse or declining in quality over time. Imagine a plane spiraling downwards. Just as the plane situation becomes increasingly dire, so does the condition or circumstance described by this phrase. It's often used to talk about personal lives, careers, businesses, or even the state of an economy. The phrase, on a downward spiral, might conjure images of an aircraft losing control, which is quite close to its metaphorical roots. Although its exact origin is hard to pinpoint, it has been widely used in literature and media to describe a series of bad events that lead to a negative outcome. This phrase captures the essence of a situation that is not just bad, but also continuously worsening. To help you understand how to use, on a downward spiral, let's look at some examples. 1. After losing his job, he went on a downward spiral, struggling to find his footing again. 2. The company's profits have been on a downward spiral since the new policy was implemented. 3. Her grades began a downward spiral after she started missing classes. These examples show how the phrase can be applied to various scenarios, emphasizing a decline or negative progression. When you want to use, on a downward spiral, think about situations that are deteriorating over time. It's particularly effective when you want to highlight the severity of a decline or the urgent need for intervention to prevent further damage. This phrase is versatile, fitting well into both spoken and written English, in narratives, analyses, and reports. We hope this video has shed light on the phrase, on a downward spiral, and how you can incorporate it into your English vocabulary. Understanding such phrases not only enriches your language skills but also helps you express complex ideas more vividly. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful content to enhance your English learning journey. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.